Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to give a vitamin K injection to a newborn. Babies are born with very low levels of vitamin K, a vital nutrient for blood clotting. Without enough vitamin K, newborns are at risk for a dangerous condition called vitamin K deficiency bleeding, or VKDB. This can cause unexpected bleeding, sometimes in critical areas like the brain, leading to serious health issues. A single injection at birth provides essential protection against this preventable risk. Before administering the injection, gather your supplies: the vitamin K vial, a 1 milliliter syringe, and an alcohol swab. Verify the correct dosage. It's usually 0.5 milligrams for smaller infants or 1 milligram for those over 3 pounds 5 ounces. The ideal injection site is the vastus lateralis muscle, located in the middle outer thigh, as it is the largest muscle in a newborn. Gently swaddling the baby can help keep them calm and still during the procedure. Once prepared, cleanse the chosen injection site on the baby's outer thigh with an alcohol swab, allowing it to air dry completely. Gently pinch and stabilize the muscle between your thumb and forefinger. Hold the syringe like a dart and quickly insert the needle at a 90-degree angle into the muscle. Slowly depress the plunger to inject the medication, then smoothly withdraw the needle. This quick process minimizes discomfort for the baby. After the injection, apply gentle pressure to the site with a clean gauze for a few seconds. It's normal to see slight redness or a small bruise, which typically resolves quickly. This single, quick injection provides crucial protection for your baby for several months, until their body can produce enough vitamin K naturally. It's a simple yet incredibly effective measure, significantly reducing the risk of life-threatening bleeding and ensuring a healthier start for your little one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.